Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends to Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you are inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of map interface. Now, in order to invite friends to the Bingo Blitz app, you need to go to the Friend Center. Here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down and find Friend Center option and tap on Friend Center. Now that you're in the Friend Center, you can see this invite option over here. Tap on it. It'll show every social media apps that you have in your phone. So you can choose the apps to send invitation to your friends to play Bingo Blitz. For example, you can invite your friends through WhatsApp, your messages, your Gmail, Instagram, Telegram. If you want to see more apps, you can tap on this more option and it will show all the apps that you can send your invites to. For example, I'll choose to invite a friend from Instagram. So I'll tap on Instagram. It will show you the list of friends inside the app. So you can choose who you want to invite to Bingo Blitz. You can just tap on the send button and the invitation would be sent to that friend about the Bingo Blitz app. So you can use any social media platforms to invite your friends. So that's it. That's how you can invite friends to Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.